AvPro is proud to present this Challenger 350, serial number 20613. The Challenger 350 business jet exceeds expectations and reaches new heights in comfort and performance. With its groundbreaking cabin design, new range capability, and lowest in-class direct operating costs, no opportunity to advance on class-leading excellence has been overlooked. The outperforming Challenger 350 aircraft has earned the appreciation and approval of executives, pilots, and operators everywhere, offering more performance, definitive reliability, and unmatched value. Serial number 20613's interior was finished at the Bombardier Completion Center in Montreal, Canada in March 2016. It offers 10 passenger seating, including the belted lavatory seat. The cabin contains a fully equipped forward galley followed by 4 executive seats in a forward club arrangement with 2 executive fold-out tables, 2 executive seats with an insertable table on the right-hand aft side, and a 3-place divan on the left-hand aft side. A belted aft lavatory supports a 10th passenger. Other features include AirCell ATG 5000 with Wi-Fi, multi-scan weather radar, synthetic vision, 3D plus enhanced map overlays, and forward and aft bulkhead-mounted 22-inch LCD monitors. The Challenger 350, serial number 20613, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.